I give you these structures, and all semester I've been introducing you to these clever bits of composition, not because I want you to turn into people who are glib. That is not the point of this class. You need more than a soundbite to solve tough problems, but you definitely do need a soundbite. You need to get good at the skill of taking something that's really, really complicated and condensing it to something that can be really, really powerful. And so these structures give us a way to take the chaos of trying to come up with an idea, or battling with dissenting opinions, or even supportive opinions but taking you a different direction. All this chaos surrounding what idea you want to present to people, and they give you a way to order it, both on a micro level and on a macro level. And we're going to see that with a couple examples of the rule of 3.